Hey there, science fans! Did you know that your body uses electricity? It's true! Tiny electrical signals zip through your nerves, telling your muscles to move and your brain to think. Electricity is everywhere, from the lightning in the sky to the phone in your hand. It's a force of nature that we've learned to harness, and it's changed the world in incredible ways. In this electrifying journey, we'll explore the story of electricity, from its shocking beginnings to the amazing ways it powers our lives today. Get ready for some shocking facts, illuminating discoveries, and a whole lot of fun. Let's spark our curiosity and dive into the world of electricity. For centuries, electricity was a mystery. Ancient people knew about static electricity. Think of rubbing a balloon on your hair and watching it stick up. That's static electricity in action. But it wasn't until the 1600s that scientists started to unlock the secrets of this invisible force. One of the pioneers was William Gilbert, who coined the term electricity from the Greek word for amber, electron. He realized that amber wasn't the only material that could attract things after being rubbed. It was a whole new phenomenon. From there, scientists began experimenting with different materials and methods to generate and study this mysterious force. Benjamin Franklin, the American inventor and statesman, was fascinated by electricity. You probably know the story of his famous kite experiment. Franklin flew a kite during a thunderstorm, and when lightning struck the kite, it traveled down the string to a key, proving that lightning was a form of electricity. This was a huge breakthrough. Franklin's experiment was risky, but it led to important inventions like the lightning rod, which protects buildings from lightning strikes. He was a true electrical pioneer. Nikola Tesla, a brilliant Serbian-American inventor, revolutionized the way we use electricity. While Thomas Edison championed direct current (DC) electricity, Tesla believed in the power of alternating current (AC). And guess what? He was right. AC electricity could travel much farther distances than DC, making it possible to light up entire cities. Tesla's inventions like the AC motor and the Tesla coil paved the way for the modern electrical grid we rely on today. He's considered a true genius and a visionary in the world of electricity. Now, let's break down the basics of electricity. Think of it like water flowing through a hose. Imagine tiny particles called electrons flowing through the hose. These electrons carry a negative charge. The flow of these charges is what we call electricity. The amount of water flowing through the hose is like electrical current. More water means a stronger current. We measure current in amperes or amps. Now imagine the water pressure pushing the water through the hose. That's like voltage, the force that drives the electrical current. Higher voltage means more electrical push. So electricity is all about the flow of charged particles, driven by a force, just like water flowing through a hose. Today, electricity is the lifeblood of our modern world. It powers our homes, businesses, transportation, and communication systems. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to sleep, you're surrounded by devices that rely on electricity. Your lights, refrigerator, computer, phone, and even your electric car wouldn't exist without it. Electricity has revolutionized the way we live, work, and play. Remember the days of candles and oil lamps? Thanks to electricity, we have bright, instant light at the flick of a switch. Telephones, the internet, and smartphones have shrunk the world, connecting us instantly across continents. Life-saving medical equipment, from X-ray machines to pacemakers, relies on electricity to diagnose and treat illnesses. These are just a few examples of how electricity has transformed our lives, making them easier, healthier, and more connected. As we look to the future, electricity will play an even greater role in creating a more sustainable world. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower rely on electricity to generate clean energy. Electric cars are becoming more popular, reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. And smart grids are being developed to make our energy consumption more efficient. The future of electricity is bright, and it's powering us toward a cleaner, greener future. So there you have it, the electrifying story of electricity. From its mysterious beginnings to its power to transform our world, electricity is a force to be reckoned with. But our journey doesn't end here.